Okay, look at this. We have Wave 2. So we got 10 cubes, and there's an unboxing party that's going to happen, and I was asked to open one as part of the unboxing party, and to not get in the way of me and Nicky opening from our own stash, the Cryptoys team threw in one extra cube for us. So what you'll see here is, here's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then number 11. So we now have 11. One will be opened for tonight for the unboxing party, and then Mr. Nick and I will do the rest when he's back at my house next week.
Yeah.
What we're going to do right now is, first, Nick, which cube will I open tonight for the unboxing party? You get to choose.
The grand finale for Wave 2 should be 5.
Number 5.
Yes.
Right here, right? Okay, there you go. So that's the one that I'm going to open up later. And then before we do that, let's take one more quick thing here. So, of all of the Wave 2, without thinking about the rarity, just which of the 4 characters are you hoping for first?
Honestly, I'm trying to look for Trapjaw.
Okay, and then which Trapjaw do you want the most?
Probably the common.
The common one, just because he's the original toy, the 1983 toy. Okay. All right, cool. So that's it. So we're hoping for a common Trapjaw out of box number 1 tonight. We will see what comes up there, if Nicky's prediction and hope is right, in box number 5. Okay, well, if you saw this video, then tune in to the unboxing party tonight at 9 p.m. and we'll see which one we get.
Correct.